this is going to be a proper old school tag video, just for the fucking, sorry for my language, sorry in advance, just for the shits and giggles really, guys. When I first started making YouTube videos, I deleted them now, but when I did do this video, and I know around the times of like Zoella and everything, like this was like a video that everyone wanted to do and was doing it. So this is going to be what's in my bag tag. So I might do this one every year from like now on, just to see like, has my bag got littler, has my style changed, what carrying bag changed. So first of all, I'm going to start with, this is my bag. I recently got this from TK Maxx and it's by Laura Ashley. It's just got silver hardware and detailing on it, and silver, oh, make it now, metal handles, and it's got a little pocket on the back, and then it's got obviously a long strap as well. The only thing about a long strap, it's really long, like, and there's only 2 holes in it, so I might have to put another hole in it, but no, I just thought that was lovely for £40, and it has like a little, I'll zip the bag up to show you. I just think, oh god, little silver metal detail in there and a zip across. And I just thought this bag was really nice. I thought for £40 for a Laura Ashley bag was a steal, and I just thought this was a really nice bag, so I thought I'd pick it up. So yeah, if you're wondering, my top's some new look. It's just a mesh top, and I got in the sale, it was only £4, and it's lovely. But no, first of all, the first thing in my bag is this perfume. You've probably seen these everywhere, especially over TikTok, when people are saying what they are a dupe for, but this is the Artisan from Superdrug, and this was only £4 for a 50ml bottle, and apparently I think this is meant to smell like the Dior Forever and Ever perfume, and it's really nice. And like literally, I've got like, the reason I got this into my bag is because I spray perfume, like I use perfume every day, and like I'll buy expensive perfume. So I've got like Gucci Bloom and like the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, the stiletto on heel, and literally I'll like spray it all every day. And I just thought, to be more cost effective, I thought if I get a perfume like this to wear every day, if it runs out, I can just go and buy another one and it's only a couple of quid. Whereas if that there, I'm like paying another 50 odd quid to get another perfume. So I thought I'd get that, and if it runs out, I'm not bothered. But if any other ones run out, then I'm going to be arsed by it. So no, that is that. And this is in the scent Vanilla Blush, so I picked that one up. Also that was like a reason, like I keep me like nicer perfumes for like more special occasions, like going on a night out when we can, and like other stuff like that. The next thing I've got is just an umbrella. I'm from the northeast of England, so it rains all the time, and it'll rain unexpectedly, so it's always good to carry an umbrella on you. I need a little one because it's a little bag, so I'm going to try this. So if anyone knows where you can get cute little umbrellas from, then comment below and let us know, because I'm on the hunt for one. So now I've took the bulk out of it. You can see there's like 3 sections. There's one here, there's a zipped compartment, and there's another compartment. So the first thing I pick out is a 10p piece, which is very rare for me because I never purely pay in cash. So yeah, the next thing, the sticker's coming off of it, but this is just a hand sanitizer with my name on, and I think the hand sanitizer, yeah, it's strawberry lace. It smells a bit like, you know, the no tears or something, no tangles or tears, kids shampoo and conditioner. It smells like a strawberry version of that. So that's there, and given the current circumstances, always good to have hand sanitizer. So moving on, next is this. I got this at Christmas off my auntie, and it's just a little silicone straw because I'm very much wanting to help the environment as much as I can, and it's just a Disney one, so I've got that in my bag in case I ever need it, because the paper straws at McDonald's are horrendous, but I'd much rather have them have paper ones and plastic ones, so I've got that in case I ever need it. So that was just, I think this was some Primark. I still got a bit of the logo in, and if you're a Primark fiend like me, then you know that tag's Primark. So yeah, that's one side done. Moving on to the next one, and this is my like little wallet purse thing, and this is just, oh, if it wants to shut there. And this is just Kurt Geiger. I got this for Christmas last year off my auntie, and I just thought it's really nice like wallet to have, and yeah, I've got my bank card in, not showing that, but I've got another like little card holder that goes in. Got my passport, because like I'm 26, but I still get ID'd a lot because I think I've got a baby face. So yeah, and then I've got my keys. I've got a little 11 Funko chain. I don't know where Harley Quinn is, because I don't know where I have got Harley Quinn in the Funko form, and I don't know where that is. One key, got a love you thing that me and my partner had, and then I got this for Christmas off my mum, and it says my little girl yesterday, my friend today, and my daughter forever, which made us cry on Christmas Day, which is really nice. So they're my keys. I've also got just a hand cream. Just since I've lost weight, me like hands get really cold and they get really chapped, so I picked that up, and that was from Amazon. Then I've got, oh here it is, and then I've got this for Christmas this year for me auntie, and this is just the Claudia Canova, and I think this is from ASOS, and it's just a little coin purse with, now I've just stuck Harley Quinn in. It's got a couple of pound in actually, so while it's out, I got me 10p, put that in. So yeah, that's just my little heart-shaped purse. Funny story was that I was going to pick that up for myself, but I decided against it because I just wanted that, and I didn't want to justify paying the shipment for that. So I'm glad I didn't buy it, because I think my auntie got it first. And then I've got my Kate Geiger, what was in a matching set with the little wallet that I keep my passport and stuff in, and that is just a card holder. And I've got a few cards in here, like Odeon gift card that my auntie got Martin, I keep hold of it, and we haven't even used it yet because of COVID and stuff. So I've just got like my Boots card, my next card, and then I've got me provisional, and then Tesco Club card. So it is just standard shit, but I'll also put my bank card in there as well. So what else have I got in here? Nothing else. In the middle pocket now I have got the lip gloss. Yeah, this is Sexy Mother Pucker and Bare Enough. I love this lip gloss, it's unreal. I've got a face mask given the current pandemic, and also paracetamol. Next it's got quite a few things in. Standard tampons, as you know, every girl has them in a bag. Tampons are sanitary towels. I've got some more paracetamol because I get headaches quite often, so I always have them. I've got some eyelash glue. Love this eyelash glue. That one and the black one, best ones. I've got just a pen, because you never know when you're going to need a pen. I've got some plasters, elastoplaster plasters, and just little Batman ones, because I'm going to look cool if I'm wearing heels and have to stick a blooming Batman thing on. I'm going to rock it and look sick. But no, some more plasters, some Airways chewing gum. I also got the Dr. Lip original nipple cream, just a lip balm. I just think it's funny how it's called nipple cream, don't know why. But then I've got Midnight Cowgirl Urban Decay lip gloss, and hi-fi shine lip gloss, and it just smells lovely. It smells like After Eight. It's beautiful. So I've got that, and then do I have anything else in? Do I have anything else? Check the pockets. Do I have anything in this pocket? Don't think I do. I don't tend to put things in this pocket. I put myself not having. The last thing I've got is this MAC lip liner top. This is a NYX Suede matte lip liner in Lolita. So yes, that is everything that is in my bag, which I'll show you in detail. As you can see, it's got a middle pocket, 2 pockets either side, and then it's just really nice. And I just think very much, I used to buy big bags, but then I used to put loads of shit in it, and I was like, I'm carrying around a bag full of shit of things I don't even need. So then I thought I'll invest in a little one, and then it means that I can just carry things I genuinely need. So yeah, and it means that my boyfriend can't put his shit in my bag as well, so bonus. But no, thanks for watching. I hope you've had a lovely Christmas and New Year, and I hope 2021 is just a better year for everyone. So thanks for watching.